Alright, we're up. We're going. It's happening. Alright. It's been flat out. Look, the sun's up. Big time. We just started. It didn't just start. Just screwed all this off. Lance just ball floated it. Got a little ramping there. Got a little pad to do here. And we're finished putting it in. Not sure what time it is. Might be a short video today. Nice and quick. I'm a bit sick today for some reason as well. So, we'll work it out. Looking good so far. We've got all this to go yet. Wow.
Yeah, because I'll start the mower stripping there.
Oh, she's all in.
No, I don't want to start it with you.
Well, that barra can go up and join onto that 900 path there. Yeah, I'll push it up so you want to go up there.
She's done. Dun dun dun. Balls in there. Oh, pretty good. I'm fucking fucked. Not feeling good at all. Anyway, shit happens. Nothing bad, nothing dollar. All this to go. Around here yet. Okay, it's 9:30 and we got all the concrete in now. Driveway's done. And all the way around here. Okay. It's just been screeded. And I just ball floated it as well. All the way around here. Not much leftover concrete. It's a little bit there, a little bit there. All good. Alright, now we just gotta finish that. Like I said, I'm feeling pretty sick, so I'm just doing my best I can. I just screeded the whole lot. All that front driveway and all this bit here. I'm still going. Huh. Alright. That's it. No problems.
We can get the team up, mate.
And Simon on the 6-hour, but we need Simon up. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? Look at it. Beautiful. See, when you screw the job perfect, it's easy to finish. It's nearly ready for sugar. Beautiful stripes. So Lance hit it with a fresh knife a couple of times. Simon's hitting it with a 6-hour for the first time. Beautiful. It's up there on the edge boards. We'll need more. Beautiful. Okay. Nice bit down here. Same on that one. A bit more trailing up on here. all exposed concrete. There's a nice layer on top, and it'll wash off nice and easy. Sorry. That was gross. Alright, cool. I'm gonna do some nagging over here. Lance is doing good up there. Beautiful. How are you gonna get out of there, Lance? When you still went all the way out the other end?
I gotta go around the corner.
Oh, you're gonna go around the corner?
Yeah, mate, I'll get that wall while I'm coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're right there, man.
Right. Simon's
Some
throwing
paper.
shit. It's always good to have a light man on the job. Get in there and get it done. Right, I'm gonna do this bit. Close all this up. As we go. It's all in the sun. 10 o'clock. Lance on the Fresno again. Simon on the stick again. We're doing one more hit. It's already beautiful as it is. But I love it. And we just gotta finish this one. Throw some edges on it twice and trowel it twice and she'll be done. Ah! Deegan's cleaned all the tools up. Start stripping it soon. Huh? Okay. It's all been sugared now. All the way down there.
I need my profile gear.
Just gotta wait for this last little bit to fade.
16.
All the way down. All done. So we just gotta sugar this bit here. And that's it. The rest has been done. So there hasn't been that much. Got a bit of stick troweling, I suppose. Not much more. Anyway, let's do it. Cruising along, and we got some shit happening. We're washing it off. Me and Lance are on the brooms. Simon's on the hose. The video yesterday's going alright already. I made 2 videos yesterday because I missed out on the Saturday video, so I made the Saturday video, then I made the Monday video and the Tuesday video together. So there is another video on there with Lawrence, Trowel and the boys doing the house. But so far everything's coming off beautiful. Right. The last bit of washing off here. We've still got a shitload to go. Here's more to go. Clean the drain out. Make sure you got blockers so the dirty water doesn't go in the drain. You get in trouble. Beautiful. Boys are washing this bit off. I'm going home. Done my fair share for today.
Mate, you can't go home. You're going to see the fence Potter.
I've seen it. I've already seen it. It's at the front.
No, you can't, mate. You got to
Look
see
at that.
the fence
Beautiful.
Hard to find good help you, so
Right.
Good for the viewers, bro.
I do everything for the viewers, mate. Come on, guys. Share me videos.
don't be slack.
know what they're applying with?
We've got millions of concretes in the world and they need to see these videos.
They're not sharing it because they can't see the end of the slab, bro.
Oh. This is what it looks like at the end.
Yeah, we'll show them the completion.
I'm gonna go home and make this video. I'll be there for fucking 3 hours making the thing. You need to be at home chilling.
Chillin'. Chillin'. Yeah, we know why it takes fucking you 3 hours to make a video.
Why?
You get what you're doing after time.
Fuck! You know what happens to me, mate? I actually fall asleep watching it.
I know you do.
I fall asleep. Every time I make these videos, I actually fall asleep when I'm making them. When I'm watching it through, make sure I did nothing wrong. Nah, I'm not working, mate. I got a day off. I'm going to hang out. I'm going to gymnastics tonight too. Alright, I'm going. Alright guys, that's the end of my day. The boys are going to keep washing off. It's about 2 o'clock, so it's time for me to go home. I'm going to make the video. It should be up by 5 o'clock. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you can, and leave a comment. Unless I didn't have another shave. Anyway, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
See ya. See ya.
Hey,
See ya.
Dad.
Hey Dad.
Mate, you know
What's your dad's name?
Steve.
Hey Steve. Hey Steve, how you going, mate? Alright, see you on. Have fun. Day's over. Just got home and look what I got. Someone sent me a package. Gotta work out what it is. But we'll work it out. Okay. I worked out what they are. They're caps. They're actually the best fucking caps for star pickets I've ever seen. We'll do a video about them and show you. They actually got a steel bit inside of them. Oh my god.